Okay, let's start. So we're going to begin with 2 teaspoons of desi ghee, and then we're going to add 2 more teaspoons of grapeseed oil, which is a great neutral oil to use. We are then going to add our sliced onions. I think the correct term is julienne, but whatever you want to say. They look like chips. I like to make my own garlic ginger paste, which I've just done with a handful of garlic and a little bit of ginger. And then I also added 2 green chillies to it as well. Saute until it breaks up and mixes in with everything else. Then add 1 tomato. I'm using a different technique here where I've sliced it into 4 big chunks, and then I put tomato puree in the center. It's a technique I saw Gordon Ramsay do in one of his bolognese videos, and I've just continued doing it ever since. The goal is to get your tomatoes to soften. You will see me stabbing them at various points with a wooden spoon because they just weren't softening. We're then going to add our spices, which I have listed out at the back. The goal is to get your spices to mingle and also for your tomato to soften and release water. At one point I felt like I wasn't doing it right, so you will see my mother-in-law coming in to save the day. I'm also removing the skin of the tomatoes just to give the masala an even sort of look and texture. You do not have to do this. I think next time I'm going to do this, I'm probably going to chop up my tomatoes in a food processor. Then added 1 can of kidney beans, red kidney beans. There's a huge debate if it's called Lobia or Rajma, so we're just sticking with red kidney beans. You want to mix everything in. That's my mother-in-law saving the day and also saving the curry. Once everything has nicely mixed, I think this is called punna. Once you've got it nicely mixed, then we're going to add half a cup of water and bring it to a light simmer so that it all cooks and the flavors just really blend in to the beans. There we go. There's that light simmer that we were talking about. I've added 1 whole green chili and 1 dried red chili just for extra flavor. Please do let me know what you think of the recipe. And now we have the recipe cards at the back. Do you prefer these at the front of the video or are they okay at the back? I've also linked them down below just to make it easier for you as well. Thank you for watching. Take care. Bye now.